Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. Today, we'll explore WebbyCommerce, a complete, production-ready e-commerce solution for Strapi CMS that provides comprehensive backend functionality without requiring developers to manually create content types, routes, or controllers. First, let's move to the installation and setup. Install WebbyCommerce via npm package manager, then enable it in your Strapi plugins configuration file. This is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. After installation, you'll need to enable API permissions in settings under Users and Permissions by selecting the public role and enabling WebbyCommerce access. This step is crucial as it allows your front-end applications to interact with the Ecommerce API endpoints. Now, let's configure the admin settings. Navigate to Settings, then WebbyCommerce to access the configuration interface. In the Configure tab, you can set allowed front-end domains for CORS protection, which ensures only authorized domains can access your API. Customize your API route prefix to match your application's URL structure, such as /API/ecommerce or /API/shop. Additionally, configure SMTP settings and test email functionality to ensure successful email delivery for OTP notifications and transactional emails. Next, let's set up authentication and shipping options. The Login/Register tab lets you choose between default authentication with traditional email and password combinations, or OTP authentication for modern passwordless login experiences. Each method provides secure user registration and login flows with automatic user account creation for new registrations. The Shipping Type tab allows you to select Single Address Mode, which limits users to one billing and one shipping address, or Multiple Address Mode for unlimited address creation and enhanced flexibility in order delivery options. Let's explore the API documentation. WebbyCommerce provides comprehensive API documentation accessible directly through the admin panel. Navigate to Settings, then Advanced eCommerce, and select API Collections to explore all available endpoints. The documentation interface displays every endpoint with detailed information including request and response examples, authentication requirements, usage instructions, and ready-to-use curl commands for testing. This makes it easy for developers to integrate WebbyCommerce APIs into their applications. Now, let's discuss the authentication system. WebbyCommerce offers flexible authentication options to meet different security and user experience requirements. The default authentication method leverages Strapi's built-in user management system, where users register with email and password combinations and log in using their credentials. This method supports password updates and traditional authentication flows familiar to most users. The OTP authentication method provides modern, passwordless login capabilities where users initiate login by providing their email address, receive a one-time password code via email for verification, and get JWT tokens for API access upon successful verification. Moving on to user management. Profile APIs allow users to retrieve and update their account information. Address management provides full CRUD operations for billing and shipping addresses, with user-specific data isolation. Choose between single or multiple address modes based on your configuration. Finally, let's explore the e-commerce features. WebbyCommerce delivers complete e-commerce functionality including product management with categories, variations, and inventory tracking. Shopping cart functionality with quantity management and session persistence. Order management handles the complete order lifecycle from creation to fulfillment. Let's continue with payment and shipping features. The system supports multiple payment gateways for flexible checkout options. Shipping features offer customizable delivery methods with automatic rate calculations and shipment tracking. You also get coupon management, wishlist functionality, product reviews, and webhook integrations. That's a comprehensive overview of WebbyCommerce, a complete, production-ready e-commerce solution for Strapi CMS that provides everything you need to build and manage a successful online store without the complexity of manual development. Thank you for listening. For more information, visit www.webbycrown.com.